Hi everyone, Umair here from IB Sports. Sorry for a delay in terms of posting the video, but finally I have been able to get some time and post a video. Today we are going to talk about three things: helmets, pad covers, and a plus 10,000 cricket bat. Before I go into that, I just want to talk about the cricket bat repair and conditioning. So I just want to make it clear that when I say conditioning, it is equal to refurbishment or revamp, which means we try to fix majority of the issues in the bat and then give it a close to a new look so that it starts it is playable. So conditioning and refurbishment is equal. So don't get confused with the word conditioning. It's probably just my terminology. So conditioning means we actually try to fix everything and make it new and equal to refurbished. So quickly, we are introducing helmets from IB Sports actually. So these are IB Sports Pro series, and this is Pro-1. It's a very nice helmet, and it's fully adjustable from the outside and inside. Outside means the grill is adjustable up and down, and then inside means you can adjust the head size. So you can adjust the head size. So this and then at the bottom it does have our logo. So as you can see, it comes in two colors, green and blue. I'll show you a sample of blue as well. But this helmet has a very firm cushioning inside. So it's very firm cushioning inside, which gives you extra protection. At the same time, there's something new, which is actually the neck protection. So if you see, this is a neck protector. If you remember, Shoaib Akhtar bowled a bouncer to Lara, and it hit him right at the edge of the neck. Those days, I think the helmet did not have this neck protection, but now there is. So this neck protection, it's actually removable. You can remove it. It just comes out like this. You can remove it, and then you can put it back again. But if you want extra protection for the neck, in case you're facing a really fast bowler, I would recommend having these on. But as I said, these are very pro edition helmets. As I said, and these have extra protection. And also inside the helmet, there is front cushioning as well, so that the sweat gets absorbed inside the cushion. And then, as I said, this the head is also adjustable. The adjustment is not like the screw ones, the plastic screw one. This is more of a foam adjustable, so it's more handy, more easy to use. So look for this helmet on our website. It is available in blue and green. The price is $59.99. The green one is this right here. The blue one is right here. So this is the blue one. Exactly same model, same feature sets, and then logo at the back. This one does not have the neck covering, extra neck covering on, but you can put it on. But it does come with every helmet. So I just covered the helmet. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the pad covers. So in case if you're looking to renew, give a new life to your old pads, or maybe your league requires you to put on a pad covers, you can use pad covers. So these are extra flexible, very very nice pad covers. These are $27.99. The way it works is, it's a small piece of cloth, very flexible, as you can see. It slides in, the straps comes out from both the sides, and then you are pretty much done with this. So we do have these in blue, green, maroon, and black, but there's a request for white, so I'm gonna most likely get white one as well. So if you are looking to give a new life to your pads, feel free to buy these. These are $27.99 on our website, and we should be getting white soon as well. And just to give you a view of the sample, like what exactly it looks like. So if you see here, as I said, it's a very small piece of cloth. it's not even size of the pad, but it's because it's stretchable, so it can pretty much fit any pad, you know. So youth ones, man, you know, adult size, it can fit in. So that's not a problem. Okay. So that's on these pad covers. The last thing I'm going to talk about is the a bag. We haven't covered bag for quite some time. This is CA Plus 10,000. This is a mid-range CA bag for the price of $167. We have weights from 2.5 to 2.7, if I'm not mistaken. This is a mid sweet spot profile. There is a toe being extended all the way through. The spine is extended all the way through the toe, which means there is some strength in the toe, even though it's a normal size thickness toe. The bag is 7 grains. It does come in between 6 to 8 grains. So this piece of willow is 7 grains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 straight grains on the front, and then 7 close to straight grains at the back. The toe guard is a typical toe guard. This one does not have the premium toe guard, which is on the premium bags from CA. This is a typical toe guard, and it does have same handle as on the other premium bags, which is fired fork handle. One thing I should mention about this bag is this bag feels extraordinarily light when you pick up. And I had one customer buy this yesterday, and they said the same thing. The reason they're buying this because players who love to use lightweight bags, but at the same time they want some bearing power, because the bearing power is one of the factors that drives bearing power is the weight of the bag. Obviously, the more meat, the more weight, then obviously you are getting more push on the ball from the bag. So this one even though it's this one is 2.6, feels 2.4. Trust me. So feels 2.4 because you know the way the wood is being carved, and also the kind of willow is being used for this bag. So this bag, you know, we have different weights, all standard handle, standard length, and for the price of $167. So that's pretty much it for today. Feel free to subscribe us on YouTube. You can all follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and you know, and also you can browse our website 24/7 at iv-sports.com. Thanks for watching.